It's Daniel with Demlin Web Marketing again, and today we're actually going to be looking at how to update your PHP. So, first of all, for WordPress, you're going to want to go into the Cpanel. Usually, they give you the host will give you the password, and you should be able to get in. Once you're in the Cpanel, you scroll down. It's typically going to be down here. For me, it's under Software, under Multi PHP Manager. So you just go in there, select the website that you want to change or update, and then over here on the PHP version, you pick whichever you'd like. In this case, I'm going to leave it as inherit um, because for some reason this one's causing problems with my WordPress version. If I updated to any of these over here, the most recent ones, so I had to keep it at the old one. So I'll go ahead and hit inherit, make sure that this is checked over here, and then just hit apply. You see right there. Okay, it says successfully applied PHP version inherit to the select domain. So that's all, guys. Hope this helps, and hit that subscribe button for more.